Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos comparing exponential, applications, and linear, and this video will absolutely compare the two. Okay, Amal noticed that the days leading up to Christmas were insane. They predicted that each week the number of shoppers would triple. On the first Saturday, December 3rd, there were 12,450 people at the mall. Find a model for the daily growth factor, so the word growth factor implies exponential, in the number of people who go to the mall. So we start with the fact that it's going to triple each week, and we need to go from, so A is equal to 3 because A is tripling, and we need to go from 1 week, which is 7 days, down to 1 day because we want to figure out a daily growth, so we can find 3 days, 9 days, something outside of an easy fraction of 7, because there are no easy fractions of 7. So we want a fraction of this, so we're going to take 3 to the 1 over 7 and get that the daily growth factor is 1.17. So the mall population per day is 12,450 times 1.17 per day. Awesome. Now it says how many people are there on December 22nd. All right. Well, if you're starting at the 3rd and going to the 22nd, 22 minus 3 is 19. And so we're looking for how many people are there 19 days later. So M of D is 12,450 times 1.17 to the 19, which is going to equal 245,867 people on December 22nd. 245,867 people will shop at the mall. Okay, but let's look at this problem again as if it were linear instead of exponential. So Amal predicted that the number of shoppers at the mall would increase by 17,500 each week of December. On December 3rd, there were 12,450 people. So the model, this is simple. I gave you a slope, I gave you a starting off number. The problem is this is a weekly number. So I guess we just take that 17,500, which is 7 days, divide it by 7 and find out that the daily slope is 2,500. Okay, so the mall population per day is 2,500 per day plus the initial 12,450. How many people are there on December 22nd? Once again, 22 minus 3 is 19. So the number of people after 19 days is 2,500 times 19 plus 12,450, and we get 59,950 people. So on December 22nd, 59,950 people will shop at the mall. If you notice, here is the stark difference between exponential and linear. Up here, when we did the same problem with exponential, we ended up with almost 250,000, where with linear, we ended up with just over 50,000. So the exponential had a huge impact on the population, and that's what will happen, is in the short term, if we had just done a few days, there may have been very, very little difference. The addition would have grown faster than the multiplication. But there is going to be that point where your exponential model just skyrockets and no amount of linear is going to be able to keep up with it. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!